Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make and add watermark in Canva to photos and videos. The first thing you want to do, once on Canva, you are going to tap on the search bar, and from here I want you to type in logo. After you have selected logo, you are going to be directed to this page on which you can see numerous templates you can choose from. The reason why I told you to type in logo is because it shows you numerous options from different niches, so you can get creative ideas to use. So let's say, for example, I want to do badge. I could simply tap on badge right here, and from here you will see numerous badge templates that you can choose from. Let's say I want to select this one, black and white. All you have to do is simply tap on the one that you would like to use. After you have selected it, you could tap on the particular image that you want to use. So let's say, for example, this one, and you will tap on customize this template. After you have selected customize this template, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you'll have to do is simply edit the template. So I only want the black and white image, so I'll simply delete the first one. Then this one right here is the one that I want. And again, you'll be able to customize the text by simply tapping on the text box. And from here, you can change the font in the top left hand corner. So you would be able to change the font style. You can also change the font size by tapping right where you see 16.2 on my screen, as you can see right there, but I'll leave it at the original size. You can change the image also. There are numerous ways you can customize it. But after you're finished customizing it, the watermark to your liking, what I want you to do now is simply go over to the right hand corner. And from here you will see the option share. You are going to tap on that. After selecting share, you are going to tap on download. Then you will see transparent background. You are going to tick that. Then you'll tap on download. By the way, if you do not see transparent background because you are on the free plan, what I would recommend you do is simply download the logo. And after you are finished downloading it, you'll simply type in remove.bg. And after you have selected remove.bg, you'll simply drag and paste the logo that you had downloaded right here, and then you'll be able to remove the background. Let me do that just for example. So you can see right here, this website removes the background for free, and then you'll simply tap on download, and that's it. After you have done that, you're going to go back into Canva, and you're going to select uploads from the top left hand corner. And you're now going to drag and paste the logo without the background, as you can see right here. Then from here you can select any one of your previous projects, or now from now on, whenever you are doing a project, you would be able to add your logo. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add the logo to this video right here that I had created earlier. All I have to do now is simply tap on the video, then tap on the page that I would like to add logo to, or tap on apply all 6 pages. But for this example, I'll simply apply it to one page. So I'll tap on the first page. And from now on, all I have to do is simply tap on uploads. Then you'll drag your logo, and you can minimize the size by simply dragging the box right there, as you can see. And you can paste it in any corner you want or anywhere you want, and that's it. So you can see my logo right here, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.